What's up YouTube, it's Josh, and in today's video I'm just going to show you the installation process of a new lawn that we installed here in Clarkston, Michigan. We did about 7,000 square feet of new Kentucky bluegrass. It's a great grass for both shade and sun areas like this home. We also did a little bit of landscaping at the front of the house, some new edging, some new landscaping, mulch, and it just looks really nice. So just a quick process video, start to finish, and hope you guys enjoy it. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.